Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to GreenTGarden. So today guys, I have a special video right now and I'm going to give you guys some awesome tips that works for me so far. So basically, what we're looking right here, this is a pepper plant that I grow from indoor. I had it indoor maybe a little bit over a week. Maybe two, maybe close. Actually, you know what? Maybe close to 2 weeks I think I have this indoor. And that's my son Jax. So this is his plant. We name it Jack's Beans. So this is the first time bringing them outdoors so you could see the wind. It's a little windy. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you. I have two containers. I'm gonna put one in here, one in here. I'm gonna train these guys to be outside, and I'm gonna explain what I mean training. And then I'm gonna take 2 to 3. I'm gonna put in this container, the big pot right here. I have some soil and compost mixed in here. And guys, my soil, I'll show you guys right here. Right now, I'm using the Miracle Grow potted mix. It's our greenhouse right here, guys, and I'm gonna show you another video about it's a lot going on in there. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys how to move the plant safely from here to here. Hope you guys could see this. So we're gonna pop this out here. Just tap it a little bottom and it'll come right out. Look. Alright guys, so it was very easy to pop right. It comes right out from the bottom. So you can see my soil. It's not dry, it's not too wet, it's perfect. But you see the root, guys? The roots are starting to like squish. There's not enough room. So I could have moved this 2-3 days before. I didn't have the time. So there was no time. So now finally I have the chance to move it. So it's falling apart. So it was so moist it started falling apart because we watered it early this morning. So what you're gonna do basically, you place this guy in the middle and we're gonna put some soil right around it. And when I put the soil around this, guys, I like to keep this in the middle. If it's gonna be wobbly, I'm gonna put a stick around it. But guys, very important, when you put in the stick, make sure you don't want to take out the roots or any other stuff. So let me show you guys. So guys, what I'm basically doing, I'm just gonna fill more soil around it and I'm pressing it down so it holds it pretty strong. And the reason why I'm putting it in another, it's a bigger container but still small, because as I told you guys, this I'm not gonna keep in the greenhouse. I actually want this plant to be outdoor. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the regular old-fashioned way, guys, is every day. One second, but every day I'm gonna bring it outdoor, maybe for an hour the first day. Today I just brought it from inside, so I'm not gonna bring it out too much here. I'm gonna put this inside the greenhouse. Soon as I'm finished, water it. So guys, very important, when you finish moving your plant, sorry about the noise, guys, let me help him close that. Okay, Daddy locked it. So we got to keep this door closed so our pet pig don't go in there. So basically, guys, patted it down right there, and as you can see, it's a little bend. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this out, train this for a couple days, and train it for a couple days. Bring it every day, like an hour to 2 hour outside, and once you get used to the sun, the wind, it's good. Because if you bring it out right now and I leave it out, the wind and the sun is probably going to burn this leaf, and the wind is probably going to either break it or it's going to be too heavy and it's going to be too much of stress on the plant. So I wouldn't recommend you guys to bring it out right away. So I will place this in the greenhouse, and tomorrow I'm going to bring this guy out for an hour to 2 and then take him back in, and then every day I'm going to do the same thing, increasing the hours so eventually he'll adapt to the temperature. Now what I'm going to do, the 2 more plants, maybe 3, I'm going to make one hole here, one here, and one here. So 3 different spots so the roots could spread out a little bit. And these guys I'm going to leave in this bigger container in the greenhouse. Highly recommend watering it right away because it's dry. The soil is dry right now and there's a lot of tension on the plant. So watering it will help it, and you're good to go, guys. That's it. So let me show you guys real quick. I'll move these to the bigger pots, and I have one more container which I'm pretty sure my kids took. So So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place one of them over here. So I still have some room here, and I have room over there. Basically, you could take a shovel, or you could just use your hands and kind of bury him in there. And then bring some soil. Sorry about the camera, guys. I gotta get my tripod for this. So basically just patting him there, bringing some soil, pressing it down so it's strong, holds up really good. And then when you water, put extra soil a little bit, guys, because this soil is a little bit more like fluffier and soft, so when you water it, it will go down a little bit. So that's it right there. See that? She's perfectly fine. That's easy. It's so easy to transplant a plant, to move a plant from one container to another. So I'm gonna probably put one more. I'm not gonna do three. Three is gonna be too crowded here. So I'm gonna do one more over here, and then I'm gonna put this big one. I'm gonna put in a single container like this one, so I could put that outside. All right, guys. So hopefully this video was helpful. And if you learn anything or you find this video helpful, please, guys, please, to help our channel, because we're a brand new channel, please give thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. It will definitely help us to grow and to help more people and expand our channel, and we do appreciate it, all the support and everything, guys. Stay tuned for more videos and more tips, guys. We have a lot of videos, and I'm going to show you guys a tour of the greenhouse and what's going on outside. And you know, we're working outdoor, and we got a lot of plants over there. So I'll show you guys, and I'm gonna teach you guys all my tricks and tips on how to become very successful in the garden world.